All right, folks. So today we're gonna take a look at a way so you make $6 per download when someone downloads your files. But first, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I make videos about making money online. Also, check out my #1 recommendation. There's a link in the video description below. That's for you get 2 free websites with that, a free membership, free training, and there's no credit card needed or anything to sign up like that. Just sign up and you're good to go. And that's my #1 recommendation for making money online. But let's check this out. All right, so here we are, folks, at Snapwire. This is basically a photo site. So if you have your phone with you, you could be out and about taking photos of things, and you can get paid up to $6, a little bit over $6 every time someone downloads one of your photos, purchases one of your photos to be used. So what you're going to want to do is come to the site, snapwi.re. Basically, folks, how it works is you're going to take photos and you're basically just going to upload them, and when people buy the photos, you will make money. These are some examples of some photos in here. This is a couple of people that do photos, and then we have more photos here. So you want to take a look at what's going on in the site, see the quality of what they're looking for here. And when you're out and about, you could be snapping your photos as well. Be very creative, come up with your own kind of thing. There's some dogs, some girl with a music guitar. Food is very popular, stuff like that. Cupcakes here, look at these. So if someone buys a royalty-free license, the extra small is $10. And 25, 50. You can make some really good cash off these, folks. All right, so here's a payout breakdown. As a Snapwire creator, you will earn income each time one of your approved shots is downloaded. So you keep 100% or you keep 50% of your subscriptions. There's different payout things here, like social plans, $6 per download, $6.50. There's just different payout plans, folks. You have to check it out. Obviously, your photos have to be approved as well, because they're not just gonna take anything. But like I said, go in here, and there's a app store, iOS app, a Google app, and an Amazon app, so you can download those for your phone as well to upload. But like I said, folks, just come in here and check out some of the quality of photos, and you can do the same thing and be making some good cash. These people pay out a little bit more than the other sites. That's why I'm mentioning just this one. There's other sites that do this as well. But very cool, folks. So anyways, like I said, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online as well. There you'll get a free membership, 2 free websites, free training. You don't need a credit card to sign up. You just sign up and you're good to go. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.